Hoúm Leis, part 2, the tragic story of Hoúm Leis. Hoúm Leis was in a coffin. She was trying to figure out how to get out until she escaped and ran as far as she could until she didn't know where she was going. The people around was like, "What? She's alive?" And she was actually in a coma. Everyone around her was very confused. And she started making paintings again and sold them. She sold a painting for $300,000, and bought a house with all that money. She became rich and bought herself an amazing mansion, only with $100,000. She was so happy. She could do anything she wanted because she had all kind of money. She learned how to cook. Scientists gave her hundreds of dollars to figure out to do tests. She was super happy, and nothing could go wrong until she fell down the stairs and died. Rest in peace, Hoúm Leis.